Hi everyone, welcome back to episode 5 of our Building Your Home Step by Step. Today we're here back in Riverside. We had all the lumber delivered. The framers are already here starting to work on the home. So I wanted to go over a couple things. This video is actually going to be in several steps as it's going to take about a week and a half to get everything ready to go. The first thing I wanted to show you here today is last time I was showing you the bolts that were going to on the footings of the home. So now that everything's dry, as you can see, the bolts are set, and now they're doing the mud seal. So with the mud seal, they use a pressure treated wood and they drill out the holes. And as you can see, also throughout the house, they've already chopped out everything in red where all the walls and everything is going to go. The next step is going to be having the framers come out here. So once they finish doing all the mud seals, what they do, they take them off, they frame all the walls on the ground, and then they lift them up and bolt everything down and put the whole house together. So within a couple days, next week, all the walls are going to be up. There's going to be some supports. Right now we're having the trusses delivered. They're loading them up on the roof. They'll probably be installing them, and probably by tomorrow they'll start putting them up. We'll come back and then we'll get the HVAC guys back out here, electrical and plumbing, and get all that stuff going.